We live in a world where safety and security are paramount. Enter bulletproof glass, a technological marvel that stands as a silent guardian against potential harm. Bulletproof glass, more accurately termed bullet-resistant glass, is a meticulously crafted sandwich of materials engineered to stop projectiles in their tracks. Join us as we journey into the heart of bulletproof glass, revealing the secrets behind this invisible shield that safeguards lives. Bulletproof glass is a testament to the power of combining different materials, each with unique properties. This combination results in a product that is not only transparent but also incredibly strong and resilient. The first ingredient is high-strength glass, which is much thicker and more robust than ordinary glass. This type of glass is designed to withstand significant force without shattering. Next, we have polycarbonate, a thermoplastic polymer known for its remarkable impact resistance and flexibility. Polycarbonate is often used in applications where durability and strength are paramount. Imagine a material as clear as glass but nearly indestructible. That's polycarbonate. It can absorb and disperse energy, making it an ideal component in bulletproof glass. The flexibility of polycarbonate allows it to bend without breaking, adding an extra layer of protection. Finally, the inner layer, typically made from polyvinyl butyrol (PVB) or Sentry Glass Plus (SGP), plays a crucial role. This interlayer bonds the glass and polycarbonate layers together, creating a unified structure. This adhesive layer helps to dissipate the energy from a bullet's impact across the entire panel, preventing penetration and reducing the risk of injury. When a bullet strikes the glass, the energy is spread out over a larger area, thanks to the interlayer. This process significantly reduces the force at any single point. The combination of these materials creates a composite material that's remarkably strong and resilient. Each layer contributes to the overall effectiveness of the bulletproof glass. It's a prime example of how we can engineer solutions to protect ourselves from extreme threats. Through innovation and precise engineering, bulletproof glass stands as a critical component in modern safety and security measures. The creation of bulletproof glass is a meticulous process, requiring a blend of advanced technology and skilled craftsmanship. It combines precision engineering with the artistry of experienced artisans, ensuring every piece is crafted to perfection. The journey begins with the selection of high-quality sheets of glass and polycarbonate. These materials are then precisely cut to the desired dimensions using advanced industrial cutting machines. Once the materials are prepared, the layering process begins. This involves alternating layers of glass and polycarbonate, meticulously arranged to maximize strength and durability. The number of layers can vary significantly, depending on the level of protection required. Thicker glass and more layers provide higher resistance to impacts. An adhesive inner layer is then applied evenly between each layer. This adhesive is crucial as it ensures a secure bond, holding the layers together under stress. The layered panel is then placed inside an autoclave, where it is subjected to high heat and pressure. This process laminates the layers together, creating a single solid piece. After lamination, the panel undergoes a controlled cooling process. This step is essential to ensure the glass maintains its structural integrity and clarity. The edges of the glass are then trimmed and polished. This not only gives the glass its final shape but also ensures there are no sharp edges that could cause injury. Each panel undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets stringent safety standards. This includes impact tests to simulate real-world conditions. Only after passing these comprehensive tests is the bulletproof glass deemed ready for use. It then serves as a silent guardian, providing protection in various applications. The science of stopping a bullet lies in the ingenious interplay of physics and material science. The first layer, toughened glass, disrupts the bullet's momentum, absorbing some kinetic energy. The polycarbonate layer flexes and deforms under stress, absorbing the remaining energy. The inner layer acts as a shock absorber and energy distributor, preventing penetration. As the bullet's energy dissipates, it eventually comes to a stop within the layers. Bulletproof glass isn't completely bulletproof but provides vital protection. Its ability to withstand impacts depends on factors like bullet type, angle of impact, and number of shots. The science behind its construction allows it to provide a crucial layer of protection. Not all bulletproof glass is created equal. Bulletproof glass is categorized into levels based on its ability to withstand impacts from different firearms and ammunition. Level 1 stops 3 shots from handguns using low-velocity ammunition. Level 2 and 3 offer increased protection against higher caliber handguns and some shotguns. Level 4 stops high-velocity rounds from rifles. Levels 7 and 8 offer ultimate protection against armor-piercing rounds and high-powered rifles. The level of protection required depends on factors like perceived threat level and budget considerations. Consulting with security experts is crucial in determining the appropriate level of bulletproof glass. The field of bulletproof glass is not static. Researchers are developing lighter and thinner bulletproof glass using advanced composites and polymers. Smart glass that can change its opacity on demand is another innovation. Curved bulletproof glass is gaining traction, particularly in the automotive industry. Nanotechnology holds the potential to create bulletproof materials with even greater strength and lighter weight. As technology advances, we can expect more innovative solutions to emerge. These innovations will further blur the lines between science fiction and reality. The future of bulletproof glass technology is bright and full of possibilities. The applications of bulletproof glass extend far beyond bank teller windows and armored limousines. This versatile material is used in a variety of settings to ensure safety and security. In the financial sector, it protects tellers, customers, and valuable assets in banks and credit unions. The presence of bulletproof glass acts as a deterrent to potential robbers and provides peace of mind to both employees and patrons. Law enforcement and government agencies rely on bulletproof glass to protect personnel and the public. It is commonly found in police stations, courthouses, and other government buildings where security is paramount. The transportation industry uses bulletproof glass in armored vehicles for dignitaries and VIPs. These vehicles are designed to withstand attacks and ensure the safety of their occupants during transit. Schools, hospitals, and places of worship are incorporating bulletproof glass into their security measures. This added layer of protection helps to create a safer environment for students, patients, and congregants. As technology advances, the applications of bulletproof glass will expand further. Research and development are continuously improving the strength and durability of this material, making it more effective in various scenarios. This remarkable material will continue to play a crucial role in our increasingly complex world. From urban cityscapes to remote locations, bulletproof glass is becoming an integral part of modern security infrastructure. From protecting financial institutions to safeguarding children in schools, bulletproof glass is a vital security measure. Its presence is a testament to our commitment to safety and security in various aspects of daily life.